Welcome to HeyGen Academy. Staring at your avatar, thinking something's off, but not sure how to fix it? So that's what the Edit Look feature is for. In HeyGen, you can completely change how your avatar looks without starting from scratch. Here's how. Head over to the Avatar section in the left sidebar and pick the avatar you want to update from the Switch Avatar menu. From there, choose an existing look as your starting point, click on it, and hit Edit Look. Now you got options. Type into the prompt box to describe the vibe you're going for. You can change one specific thing in your base look or create an entirely new look just based on your prompt. Next, you can also bring in specific products using scene elements, but we'll save that deep dive for another video. Pick your orientation, hit generate, and HeyGen will give you a few variations. Next option is to browse through HeyGen's sample library for inspiration. See something you like, click Remix Look, and HeyGen will drop your avatar right into that same scene. You've now learned how to create fresh new looks for your photo avatars. Now you can experiment with styles, backgrounds, and expressions to make your avatars more versatile, dynamic, and ready for any video project.